Welcome to day 23 of our 30-day ritual and guided meditation. Tonight, we will be focusing on your environment. Your environment either supports you or works against you. Adjust your surroundings. What needs to change around me to support your goals? Set yourself up to win. Set yourself up to attract what you want in life. Not from a place of desire, but from a place of worth. Take your time. Write. Let the words flow from your fingertips. Envision the environment that supports you fully. Envision the people that will. What steps do you need to take to fulfill that environment? Over the past few days, you've begun creating movement. Through intention, commitment, and action. But sometimes, after we begin moving forward, doubt appears. We question the timing, wonder if we're doing enough, or become discouraged when change feels slower than we expected. Today, we practice trusting the process. When you're ready, find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold gently for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply. Feel your chest expand, your ribs widen, hold, and exhale long and steady. One more time. Inhale, hold, and exhale, releasing tension. Now allow your breath to settle into a calm, natural rhythm. Bring your awareness into your body. Start at the top of your head and slowly move your attention downward. Relax your forehead. Soften your eyes. Release your jaw. Let your shoulders drop. Your chest soften. Relax your stomach, your hips, your legs, all the way down to your feet. Feel your body supported, grounded, present. The moon does not rush toward fullness. It grows gradually, night by night, often changing in ways that are almost impossible to notice moment by moment. Now gently bring your awareness to the changes you've been working toward, the intentions you've set, the shifts you've begun making, the ways you've started showing up differently. As you reflect, notice if there's any impatience, pressure, or doubt within you. Maybe part of you feels like you should be further along. Just observe those thoughts without attaching to them. Take a slow breath in, and as you exhale, release the pressure to have everything figured out right now. Again, inhale and exhale, softening the need to rush your growth. Now imagine looking back at yourself from 1 year ago. Notice how much has already changed, even in ways that happen quietly. Growth is often subtle while it's happening. You are not behind. You are in process, and not every meaningful transformation happens quickly. Take another slow breath in, and as you exhale, allow yourself to settle into trust, not blind certainty, just a willingness to continue. You do not need constant proof that you're growing. Sometimes growth is happening beneath the surface long before it becomes visible. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale slowly. Exhale fully. Feel your body steady, supported, patient. Silently repeat to yourself, I trust the timing of my growth and the process of becoming. When you're ready, gently bring movement back into your body. And slowly open your eyes. You don't need to rush your transformation. Growth is still happening, even when it feels slow. I'll see you tomorrow for day 24. And remember, only bring peace to bed.